Greetings everyone, today is Friday, the 20th of March 2026. Let's recap on the highlights for the IFP. The IFP emerged victorious in 3 of 5 wards contested in the by-elections held on 18 March 2026, delivering a strong showing that underscores the party's growing electoral momentum and continued voter confidence. The IFP decisively reclaimed Ward 7 and Ward 20 in Nongoma local municipality from the National Freedom Party. The party also secured a decisive victory in Ward 12 of Abaqulusi local municipality. The party thanks all voters, leaders, activists and volunteers for their contribution to this success. The IFP calls on its newly elected councillors to serve with integrity and dedication as the party builds momentum towards the 2026 local government elections. The IFP, led by its president, Honorable Velenkosini Hlabisa, together with members of the party's NEC, will on Sunday, 22 March 2026, mark the 51st anniversary of the IFP's founding while commemorating Human Rights Day. This important gathering will take place at Bethel Town Hall in Mpumalanga Province, where President Hlabisa is expected to deliver the keynote address. Public Service and Administration Minister and IFP's Deputy President, Honorable Inkosi Mzamo Buthelezi, hosted a high-level Ugandan delegation in Pretoria. Honorable Buthelezi engaged with the delegation within the framework of the strong diplomatic ties between South Africa and Uganda.
To make a clear responsibility of governments across our continent. As we reflect on these issues, it's also very important to recognize the central role of good governance and effective public institutions, as we can no longer afford to be passive participants in a system that defines our economic trajectory.
The Premier of KwaZulu-Natal, who is also the chairperson of the IFP in KZN, Honorable Thamsanqa Ntuli, will lead the 2026 Human Rights Day commemoration through a series of engagements in Kokstad. The program will be at Riverview Sports Field in Ward 10. IFP NEC member and KZN MEC for Economic Development, Tourism and Environmental Affairs, Honorable Reverend Musa Zondi, has launched the Mpofana Innovation and Digital Hub in Moy River, marking a big step in boosting digital access and innovation in rural areas. Finally, IFP NEC member Honorable Ntomohle Khawula, in his capacity as KwaZulu-Natal MEC for Sports, Arts and Culture, attended the launch of South African Library Week 2026 at Msunduzi City Hall. Honorable Khawula is demonstrating the province's commitment to strengthening libraries as vital community hubs for education, access to information and lifelong learning. Until next time, Sethembe sisebenzela wena.